Introducing the MeVIDEO series tablet and smartphone holders from Benro. Thread these clips onto any 1/4-20 threaded mount and attach a tablet or a tablet smartphone combo for content creation, live streaming, and much more. The basic tablet holder easily mounts a tablet from 4.4 to 7 inches in size. It features dual 1/4-20 threads on this clamp, allowing you to change the center of gravity depending on your setup. Mount the clamp to a tripod and get your live stream set up in no time. Or, using additional accessories, attach it to your rig's cold shoe and record on your camera while streaming live on your tablet. Whether live streaming, using your tablet as a wireless monitor during your shoot, or to simply video chat, this mount gives you limitless possibilities. If you want to take it one step further, the tablet and smartphone holder combination gives an additional mounting clamp for a phone 2.2 to 3.2 inches in size. Now you can stream to multiple platforms at once, record to 2 devices simultaneously, or use them separately. Use it as a teleprompter or an additional monitor. The options are truly endless. For more info on other live streaming accessories, check out the other product videos. Benro's MeVIDEO live stream tablet and smartphone holders are the perfect content creator's companion. What are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.